We're Cody and Christina, and over the past few days, we've completed our dream goal of building out our van into a fully functional off-grid home. After last week's S-bar heater install, we put our van back together, got to work on completing our kitchen galley, and turned on our electrical system for the first time. It has definitely been an emotional journey as this long project has come to an end. Life in the Desert Cruiser is just the beginning. What's going on here?
Today is a very great day because we're going to be cutting our last hole in the van ever. We have to install our shore power plug, so we're actually going to be doing it underneath the van because we don't want to see this on the side of the van, so we're not going to be using it a ton. So we found a good spot right in the rear end that should be pretty protected, and we're going to glue it up. But let's just get the hole cut first.
Get it over with.
Get it over with, man. We're through. Alright, let's take a peek underneath. Perfect. Now we need to file it and paint it so it doesn't rust, and then we get to put the plug in. Alright, so here's what the shore power plug looks like from underneath the van. You can see the white sprayed all around the base of the plug itself. That's just Rust-Oleum so it does not rust. The white cover over the plug itself is really nice and secured, snaps into place. And we also glued around the edges of the plug so that no water intruded to the inside of the plug. And I do not think there's going to be any problem with this underneath the vehicle, and now we don't have to see it at all. With the shore power plug all done, if you guys watched last week's video, you saw that everything in the front of the van was exploded from installing the diesel heater. So we need to reinstall our seats, we need to put our floor back in, cover up our starter battery, and then we also get to put our kitchen galley back together. So let's roll.
Mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them.
We've been really bad about filming things, but right now we're working on the wireway that you guys saw us starting to build 2 weeks ago. So we have both of our monitors in. This is for the spar, and then this is our inverter switch. If you're wondering why we put pictures here, besides it looking really nice, we actually made a little bit of a mess up, so I'm like, hey, why don't we put the picture here so that we can cover up the holes. But what all we're doing is we're just popping some screws in to hold this piece in. At the bottom here we made a little notch for one of our wires. Here's the back side, and here it's nice and clean. And then this side here, we made these little wood spacers that we're essentially going to screw into the wall. And then we're going to nail this guy into the side here to hold this against the wall. So let's do that. UPS just showed up. I think our drone's here. Oh yeah. This monitor here is going to allow us to turn our inverter on and off from up here, because our inverter and any inverter requires power to run on its own. Ours requires, I believe, 4 amps. So when we're not using it, we'll shut off the inverter and then we don't have to worry about power being drawn. And here's the spark controller. Here's a full view, and it looks really, really, really good.
Our stove is in! What?
I didn't know what you were going to say.
Our stove is in.
The stove is in for the first time ever. It's always been loose in the van. The countertop is secured. We just pocket screwed it to the 3/4 inch plywood of our galley. And now we're going to attach the fridge in. Once that's done, the galley's going to be looking really good. Oh yeah. Morning, guys. Today is
a super scary day for us. We're going to be hooking up our batteries, and I'm absolutely mortified, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything turns on. I'm smiling now, but my stomach is absolutely feeling sick.
So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it.
So wait, what's happening?
So we're going to turn the positive power supply on first, and then we're going to connect our negative cables so that everything's grounded. Are you ready?
Yep. Oh boy.
Dude, my heart's racing right now.
So this isn't gonna. Do it again.
No. So we spoke with BattleBorn after that little scary shock, and I've read that hooking up the negative terminals, that can happen. Spoke with them, they said that is hard to avoid. So we're all good to hook up the rest.
It's just scary.
After spark number 2, I called again. They said that that's normal also. So, okay. Let's do this.
How normal is it though?
I don't know, man. I'm just not liking this. Our battery,
small one.
battery monitor is on.
That's a good sign.
I'm really glad that these guys answer us. Good?
Yep.
We're good. Okay. Time to go up top, plug the solar in.
Now that our solar is plugged in, let me just explain our system really quick. So we have the 4 panels in total, 400 watts of solar, and we have 2 sets of series pairs. So the front and the back are in a series pair, the left and the right are in a series pair. The reason we did that is because the left and right panels we knew were going to be shaded.
3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on there.
It's turning on.
This
Whatever
thing?
you did. Flashing blue.
Maybe those need to be up.
Yeah. Whatever you were doing, it's flashing. There it is. Blue. Okay, did it again.
Okay, maybe that needed to be up. It says bulk, so it's charging. Let's go check the front again. I think that those yellow levers were the wrong direction.
Is that the back?
Front, I think.
No, it's back.
Oh my god. Our lights work. Do the front. Oh my god.
Gosh. Look, they're on.
We have lights, man.
Oh my gosh. Look, that's on.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go get something to charge.
Oh my goodness. All right, go. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is nuts. Oh, the dim. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's green. That's good.
My phone is charging. Oh my god. The light's on.
You're kidding.
Nope. I don't know what setting. We'll just put it at 2.
Oh my goodness. We have freaking power.
I feel so emotional right now.
So how do we do the fan?
I don't know. We have lights.
Paid off.
Okay, let's see what's going on with the fan.
Okay.
I'm gonna freak out when I see the fan. 4 bars LTE. WeBoost is working.
No way.
Oh my god. Okay, you ready? Phone is charging. Hit the lights. The fridge is running. Toilet fan's running. WeBoost is on. Look at this.
Full bars.
Bar. But the fan is not, so gotta figure that out.
Dimming, look, you can dim just a little bit.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so, look at,
That's how we were.
so happy.
That's how we were. Hey, that's a good sign.
Yeah.
Cody. We talked about it
What plugs work? Oh,
and we figured it out.
we didn't think that they worked, but you had to hit reset to make sure the test popped out for the power to go on.
So we did do a good job, didn't we? Do you feel better now?
Oh, ha ha.
So the only issue right now is the fan.
Fan.
We just pulled everything out of the couch, our wireway, all the way up here just so we can get these wires from the fan. And Cody said that when we first started doing this, he's like, I'm not worried about the fan. I'm so good with this.
This is easy.
And everything else he was worried about. Now it's reversed. Everything is working except the fan.
What I did with the fan is really funny. The white wire, which I assumed was positive, is actually the negative wire. And the black wire for the fan is actually the positive. So you can see I wired the black wire to our negative. So I reversed the polarity. So I'm hoping that it's as easy of a fix as snipping the wires and reconnecting them correctly. So let's see.
No, not working.
Or we are absolutely screwed if this doesn't
Why
work.
doesn't it work?
No. We're screwed, man. We're gonna have to take all of our solar panels off and everything. Christina's like, I think I heard a beep. And I'm standing under it right now and it's pushing air in. Full blast. Okay. So, as you can see by the excitement, the fan is running now. So I went inside. Christina's like, why? What is it gonna do? I didn't even know what it was gonna do. I plugged the 5 amp fuse in to our fuse block. Christina's like, wait, I heard a beep. And it's running.
Oh yeah.
Our fan is running. So every single thing works. Pretty cool.
She's laughing. Right when we think it's a goodbye, huh?
That is hilarious.
And this is
All
how
right.
we say goodbye. I forgot my phone. Okay, bye. Love you.
Bye.
Bye, love you.
You guys.
We'll see you in a couple of years or something. Bye. Au revoir.